Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching How to Fix Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can resolve the issue. Your resolution is automatically changing. Okay, it changes itself. So how you can resolve this issue? In the first method, we need to make sure that we are using the right driver of display and also it is updated as well. For that, go to Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand the option Display Adapter and right click on the selected driver. Update driver, make sure you are connected with the network. And then choose this option, search automatically for driver. Okay. Then close this option. And if you suspect this issue is occurring after you have updated your driver, you can also roll back it by going to properties, driver, then click on rollback driver. Okay. Once you click on rollback driver, you should get your old driver, then click on OK button and close this. Your issue should be fixed. If your issue is still not fixed, what you need to do is you need to right click on it, go to display setting. Okay, and display resolution you can also change here, which is recommended, or 1366 you can choose as well, and 1440 into 900, this is also recommended for more options and more PCs, laptops, so you can choose these two options as well. After that, scroll it down and go to advanced display setting, then look for refresh rate, click on this option and choose the minimum one. If the maximum one is already selected, you need to choose this to minimum, click on this option, then click on keep changes and tweak the changes from here. Okay, and see if your issue is fixed or not. Your issue should be fixed with these methods. Okay, if still facing the same issue, I have third method for you. In the third method, sometime other program can conflict this issue as well, so we can clean boot our windows. Press window plus R button together, type here msconfig. Okay, like this, hit OK button. Once you click on this option, go to services tab here. Okay, then click on this option which says hide all Microsoft services. Click on this option. Okay, then click on disable all. Since I have already disabled all the options here, I'm not getting the disable, I'm getting the enable option. You need to make sure disable all. Click on apply, then click on OK and restart your system. In the fourth method, if you have created a system restore point when your system was working good, this option is also useful for you. So go to search bar, then type a restore. Once you type restore, you should see create a restore point. Click on this option, then click on this option system restore, then click on next. Then you should see the option which says, it should be listed here with the date. Okay, then click on next, then click on finish and click on yes button. Okay, your system will be back when your system was working good. So click on yes and it will take 15 to 20 minutes. You need to wait for the process. Okay, so this is how you can restore your Windows and can solve this issue as well. One more command I will tell you to repair the corruption inside your Windows. Sometimes this causes issue as well. run command prompt as admin and type this command sfc scan now. This is the best command for repairing Windows. SFC stands for System File Checker, which will scan all the corruption inside your Windows and repair those if found any corruption. After completing this command to 100%, restart your system. Okay, just need to restart your system. Your issue should be fixed. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.